In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email Sendgrid. We'll walk through how to build and send a one-time marketing email called a single send inside your Sendgrid account. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank screen to a polished email ready to send to your audience. First, once you're logged into your Sendgrid dashboard, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. Find the option labeled Marketing and click on it. This is where all of your marketing campaigns, contacts, and email designs live, and it's the starting point for sending a promotional email or announcement. Inside the marketing section, look for single sends. Go ahead and select that. Single sends are perfect for one-off messages like product updates, newsletters, or important announcements. In the top right corner of this page, you'll see a button that says Create Single Send. Click that to start building a new email. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a template. Here you can pick from a pre-built Sendgrid design, one of your own saved templates, or a completely blank template if you want full control. If you're just starting out, using a pre-built template can save time and give you a good structure to work from. Once you've selected the template you want, continue to the editing options. When asked how you want to edit, choose the design editor. This is Sendgrid's drag and drop editor that lets you build your email visually without writing any code. It's great for quickly laying out images, text, and buttons. Before you dive too deep into the design, switch over to the Settings tab for this single send. Here, you'll configure some important details. First, select your From Sender. This must be a verified sender email that you've already set up in Sendgrid, so your message is delivered properly and looks professional in the inbox. Then, enter your subject line. Try to make it clear and relevant so recipients immediately understand what the email is about. Finally, choose your recipients by selecting the lists or segments you want this email to go to. This is how you control exactly who will receive your message. Now move back into the design area and start building out your email. Use the drag and drop tools to add text blocks, images, buttons, dividers, and other content. Adjust fonts, colors, and spacing so everything looks consistent with your brand. Keep your layout simple and scannable, and don't forget a clear call to action. When you're happy with both the content and the settings, look for the option that says Review Details and Send. Click that to double-check everything: sender, subject, recipients, and design. If it all looks good, you can launch the single send immediately, and your email will go out to your selected audience.